Isothermal process. When the thermodynamics undergoes a physical change in such a way that its temperature remains constant. Means the temperature on isothermal process remains constant. Then heat transfer from the system to surroundings or surrounding to system, vice versa. Here there is no rising of temperature in the system, but the temperature transfers from a system to surroundings. Then the third point is isothermal process obeys Boyle's law, means PV is equal to RT. It obeys Boyle's law. These are the 3 points. First one, when the thermodynamics undergo physical change in such a way that its temperature remains constant. Heat transfers from the system to surroundings and surrounding to system, vice versa. It obeys Boyle's law, PV is equal to RT. Then second is work done in an isothermal process. Work done in an isothermal process, the graph between pressure and volumes. Here 2 points. A and B. On the curve AB, 2 points C and D. This is equal to dV. This is the points V1 and V2. This is P2 and P1. Work done in an isothermal process, work let P1, V1 be the pressure and volumes of the gas at the initial states. Let P2 and V2 be the pressure and volumes of the gas at final state B. And intermediate state CD. Here the point C, there is a small increase in the volume, the pressure remains constant. Here that is equal to total work done in the small volume. So work done small volume dV, that is equal to dW. dW is equal to P dV. So the increase in the small volume, pressure remains constant. That is equal to dW is equal to P dV. So the total work done, W is equal to integral dW. This is equal to integral V1 to V2 P dV. Then this is the equation 1. Next the isothermal process obeys Boyle's law. Boyle's law means PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT. P is equal to RT by V. This is equation 2. The substituting P value in the equation 1, we get W is equal to integral V1 to V2 RT by V dV. Then W is equal to RT integral V1 to V2 1 by V dV. Then దీన్ని మనము ఇంటగ్రేట్ చేస్తే RT log 1 by V ఏమవుతుంది 1 by V into dV log V. Log V means log V V1 to V2. Then RT log V2 minus log V1. This is equal to log RT log V2 by V1. Then ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని మనము this is a base E. మనం బేస్ E కాకుండా 10 కి మార్చుకోవాలనుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది 2.3026 RT log 10 V2 by V1. This is equal to 2. దీన్ని మనకు ఇంకా ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే and in an isothermal process P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. In an isothermal process P1 and V1 is equal to P2 V2. Then P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1. This is equation 3. This is equation 4. This is equation 3. Then the value of this the equation 4 P instead of V1 V2 values are substituted in the equation 3. Then W is equal to 2.3026 RT log 10 instead of P1 V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2. So then it can be written as P1 by P2. So this is the final equation. So the work done in an isothermal process W is equal to 2.302 RT log 10 P1 by P2. This is a work done in an isothermal process.